Hello guys, today I'm here to tell you about a fantastic plugin we have made, Customize Discount. This plugin will helps sellers to give auto-generated discount coupons to their clients. Well, let's get started. I assume you already installed this plugin, so I am here to tell you only how to configure this plugin. So let's get started. First, you have to just activate this plugin. After plugins get activated, you just have to go to settings, or you can go through commerce settings and discount, your wish. And here this configuration tabs opens. These fields are important because these fields configuring the discount what will be given to the clients. So let's get started. What these fields are for. So first field is how many times did you want to give the coupons to your client. Yes, here's the min value 2. At least you have to give 2 here, or you can give 2,200. How many times did you want to give this coupon to your clients? It's all totally depend upon you. And there's a min value. Min value is a bit threshold, you can say a threshold value, at which point the coupon will be generated. Actually, it means if a buyer buys any product which is more than 100, or its billing amount is more than 100, then this coupon will be generated to its thank you page, your thank you page. And after this coupon code, if he or she wants to use this coupon code, he or she have done the selling more than 100, or this min value is whatever you put, 1000 or 100, whatever. This coupon code will be applicable only when he or she made again, when he or she had made that purchase once again, or more than this value, then this coupon will be applicable. And next option is max day of coupon will be valid. It's just bit an expiry date at from what date to till date, or that date the coupon will be valid, either it will get expired. Basic thing, choose discount type, and this is very important. Actually, there's only two types of discounts, fixed or percentage. I have given a percentage discount, and you can give fixed or percentage, whatever you want. And at next point you have to just give what amount, fixed or percentage, what amount did you want to give that to your customers. And here is a discount for a specific country, means you can filter out your customers or you can give these discounts to the specific customers which are from these specific countries which you are defined here. Then only then this discount coupon will be generated. Or you can say the billing address should be in this section to get the discount coupon. Well, and that's it, and you will have to hit save changes, and your changes are saved. And then let's go to stores. Here is my store, a bit rough. It is local environment, so no complaints. Then I have to choose system, product, blue, it's in stock, good, add to cart, view cart, proceed, and place order. Here is your this coupon will be automatically generated to your thank you page as I have set the value. You can see here settings, e-commerce settings, discount. Yeah, I set min value 100 and you can see I have made purchase of these 222. Then that's why this coupon is generated, and no matter how many times you reload this page, this coupon will be showed. And whenever you made this purchase more than 100 rupees, this coupon will be showed. If you didn't use this coupon, let me show you just a bit. As I didn't use, well, add it in cart. The same coupon code is appearing, as you can see, and now I can just use this copy and go on shop, use this coupon code, as I here Kirana. Let's apply. See here the pricing and everything is here. See, I have given 20% discount on percentage of the price, so automatically it reduces 20%. Then we have to proceed to checkout and then place order. And again we have got this mail, this coupon code here. A bit simple CSS I used, but it's look nice, neat. Here you can see a new coupon code is generated after I used the previous one. Before that it shows an old coupon code. Let's start it again. If I use this once more, first let me show you what is going back on the coupon section of WooCommerce. As you can see, here is only one coupon is available, 166R coupon, which is now showing at thank you page. It's because this plugin automatically creates this discount coupon code, and if you use it delete it also. Now we have to just do add to cart, view cart, proceed. Oh sorry, I forgot to paste the coupon, and it is applied. Proceed, place order and place order. You can see now there is no coupon, because I had mentioned I only want to give my clients two times coupon, and each time or for the first time it will give 20% of discount, and for the second time it will reduce it not more than 20%.